There is no any other better time than now to start cassava farming in Ghana or invest in cassava cultivation. Several research have predicted Ghana to see an increase in cassava consumption in the coming years. Demand is forecast to reach nearly 8,000 metric tons by 2026. That's up to 0.9% year-on-year on average. Since 2017, demand has been rising by 0.2% annually. Based on significant ongoing private sector investment in the cassava value chain, demand for the crop is projected to increase. It is estimated that over 60,000 metric tons of cassava are processed industrially, mostly for production of traditional packaged foods. And because of this, Ghana now ranks among the top 5 cassava producers in Africa. At least 18 different improved varieties of cassava are produced in commercial quantities for diverse uses, such as for starch, flour, ethanol, and chips. What's more, the industrial cassava requirement is estimated at over $20 million worth of cassava being supplied annually, benefiting over 50,000 small-scale farmers. Latent demand for industrial processing is estimated to grow at 1.6 million metric tons per annum, accounting for both domestic demand from Ghanaian industries and regional demand from other ECOWAS markets. Potential markets include retailers, direct consumers, small-scale gari processing personnel, local industries, and foreign markets. Note that Ghana still imports cassava at least from Nigeria and South Africa. This means that the amount of cassava consumed in the country is far greater than what is produced in the country. This also means that the opportunity for cassava farmers in Ghana is gonna be green for a very long time. Let's do some profitability analysis here. The retail price range in Ghana cedi for cassava is between 10.75 Ghana cedis and 12.43 Ghana cedis per kilogram in Accra and Kumasi. We will use the lower value for further analysis. Taking a unit price of 10.75 Ghana cedis per kilogram, 1 ton of cassava will generate 10,750 Ghana cedis in revenue after sales. That's 1 ton equals to 1,000 kilograms. Note, according to the Ministry of Food and Agriculture, cassava yield in Ghana is 21 tons per hectare, and that is 8.5 tons per acre. This means that a small-scale farmer with just an acre of land for cassava farming can potentially produce 8.5 tons of cassava after every 6 to 8 months. This translates to a total revenue of 91,375 Ghana cedis. You have to also remember that the cost involved in growing 1 acre of cassava won't be anything bigger compared to this revenue generated. See, even if you can't grow an acre of cassava and you do just 20% of an acre, 18,275 Ghana cedis is still a good piece of the pie. This analysis is also confirmed by a research done by the CSIR Food Research Institute that states that the average cassava yields have increased from about 14 tons per hectare in 2009 to 21 tons per hectare in 2018. And their partial budget analysis showed that small-scale farmers' profitability has increased over the years from 644.32 Ghana cedis in 2009 to 5,243.27 in 2018. That is 5 years ago, remember. Guys, I can't stress on how profitable cassava farming has become in Ghana now. The challenge though is that small-scale farmers in Ghana are unable to access these huge markets to improve their livelihoods and incomes due to the lack of structure required by the market, weak technical skills in GPA and post-harvest technologies, low volume of supply of fresh cassava, and poor quality of produce. This though does not make the opportunity void. In this video series, I will teach you how to overcome these challenges. I will teach you how to actually start and grow your cassava to make it suitable for the big markets, and also show you how to access these markets with ease. Kindly subscribe to my channel so you don't miss those upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends. Until next time, happy farming.